Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to clear a photo with Remini. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first, open up your Remini and just select the photo that you want to enhance in your gallery. So for example, this photo right here. And here two options will pop up. Now you can still do this for free, but just know that a lot of features are limited for free versions. So if you want to access the full potential of Remini, you can upgrade to Pro version. But for this tutorial, it also works for free versions. So just tap on Enhance, and underneath that, as you can see, watch an ad in order to proceed. So just tap on that and wait for the ad to be finished. And there you have it. As you can see, your photo is now clear and enhanced. You can use the slider on the middle to see the difference like this. And also, you can customize more if you press these buttons below. But of course, options are limited. And if you're happy with the result, you can now save your work. Just tap on the download button at the top right corner and then hit save. And after all that's done, it is now saved in your gallery. Well, there you have it. I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.